Hi, I'm Crystal Searle with the RE/MAX Ambassadors, and today I'm exploring Benton Falls.
Spectacular views of Sugarloaf Mountain and the Ocoee River going to Benton Falls from the Chilhowee Overlook. Relax at the park's picnic area and McCamey Lake swimming hole. Then continue down a 1.5-mile trail to Benton Falls. The majority of the trail is easy, but the climb to the falls can be steep, so be careful. The falls are 65 feet tall and have views from above the falls, and you can walk right up to the falls from below. This is a great swimming area during the summer months and also a great trip during the winter months. This is a great day trip and picnic area with breathtaking views. Benton Falls is located just over an hour outside of Chattanooga in the Cherokee National Forest.